I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Car Care Hacks here, and in today's video I'll be talking about the symptoms of a bad engine control module. The purpose of the engine control module, ECM, also known as an engine control unit, ECU, in cars is to control multiple systems of an internal combustion engine. The ECM regulates four main parts of a vehicle's operating system: air-to-fuel ratio, idle speed, variable valve timing, and ignition timing. It also controls emissions output by regulating fuel injection through a mixture of air and gasoline, making it essential for the performance and efficiency of the engine. The location of the ECM, also known as the engine control unit, is typically located in the engine bay or under the dashboard on the passenger side in most cars. On average, the cost for an ECM replacement is between $995 and $1,000, with labor costs estimated between $77 and $97. To support the channel, please press the like button and subscribe. Symptoms of a bad engine control module. Symptom number 1. Check engine light. One of the initial symptoms you may notice is an engine light, indicating that the ECM could be malfunctioning and producing an error code. Sometimes the ECM can generate sensor codes even when there's no problem, so you go ahead and replace the sensor, verify the wiring and connections, but the engine light persists. This could be due to internal damage to the ECM, such as water-induced corrosion or short circuit. Symptom number 2. Failing to start. Another symptom could be your car failing to start. The ECM monitors vital engine sensors like the crankshaft sensor, mass airflow sensor, and O2 sensors, which are crucial to fuel injection and spark decisions. If the ECM is defective, it won't make the correct commands, hindering your car from starting. Number 3. Car stalling. The third symptom could be your car stalling, meaning it shuts off while you're driving for no apparent reason. This happens when the ECM fails to give the proper spark and fuel commands at the right time, causing your engine to run efficiently. Number 4. Loss of acceleration. Loss of acceleration is another symptom you might encounter. The ECM also reads the throttle position, and if this reading is faulty, it won't make the correct commands, leading to an improper air-to-fuel ratio. Number 5. Shifting issues. If the ECM on your vehicle is bad, you might experience shifting issues such as hard or delayed shifts. This happens because the ECM communicates throttle position data to the transmission control module for efficient shifting. If the ECM sends incorrect reading, shifting problems may arise. Number 6. Rough idle. A car with a bad ECM will experience a rough idle because the ECM, which controls the air-fuel mixture and timing ignition, is unable to efficiently regulate these functions, leading to an unsteady or uneven engine operation. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.